Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I know it's been a while since you've heard from me, so we'll do this video a little bit differently. And as the cleaning's going on, short but sweet, I'll fill you guys in on what's been going on. So this was early in the morning on this day that I was going to get some cleaning done, and I always like to open my blinds, especially since I've been working from home. It really just makes me feel good, especially with everything that's been going on lately, personally, and even with you guys being cooped up in the house. It just makes me feel good to have my windows open, let that sunlight in, and get some much needed vitamin D. If you've been watching my channel for a while, especially my last few videos since October, you'll know that my dad has been sick, and he spent time in the hospital in October. He spent time in the hospital again in February, and in March things took a turn and he started under hospice care. And from there, he went into a hospice facility with what was supposed to just be a respite, just for several days to give my mom a little break. It's tough caring for someone who's sick, and then he was going to come home. But when he was in that hospice facility, he took a turn and he actually passed away on March 19th. So during the months since, we have been taking care of everything that comes along with that, what arrangements we were able to do. Obviously, we weren't able to do much with everything going on. So there's a celebration of life service that we'll hopefully have this summer for him. And then also, you know, like you guys, I've been homeschooling my son. I've been working from home. My mom's been spending a lot of time with us since my dad passed. So we have just had a ton going on. And cleaning hasn't really been top of mind. Making videos hasn't really been top of mind, just as we try to find what this new normal is going to be for us after losing my dad, and with everything else that communities are experiencing right now. I guess another reason it took me so long to make a video and share with you guys is I don't really know what to say or how to say it. I knew I didn't want to share this face to camera, just straight on with you guys. I feel like it makes it a little bit easier doing this voiceover, but I did want you guys to know, because I knew that I had shared that he had been sick, and I didn't want you guys to watch videos and wonder, you know, what was going on and ask for an update. So I did want you guys to know that. So if you're a praying person, I ask you to pray for my family, especially my mom. She and my dad had just celebrated their 33rd wedding anniversary. They've been together for 35 years, so just keep them in your prayers. And I am praying for you guys as well. I know it's been a tough time for everyone. You know, we've been blessed in that I can continue to work and work from home, but I know a lot of folks can't and are struggling in many different ways. With all of that being said, though, I don't want this video to be doom and gloom. I love talking with you guys. I love sharing with you guys. I love you sharing with me. So let me know in the comments down below what you've been doing during this time. It's been a blessing for us since I can still work from home, and we're homeschooling my son, obviously, that we've been able to spend more time together as a family, especially with my mom. We've been able to play video games, play board games, watch TV, watch movies. We've been able to take walks in the evening. There's a local coffee/ice cream shop that we'll walk to. It's very small, and they only let like one customer in at a time. We've been really trying to keep our local businesses afloat, so we're eating out a lot more. And there's a local pizza shop that has a pizza to go. They give you the dough, the sauce, the cheese, and the pepperoni, and you take it home and make it, and it's only like $10. So it's really cheap, it was delicious, and it's helping a local small business. So you can't really go wrong there. A couple of movies we've watched, if you guys are interested. Timmy Failure is a good kids movie. We also watched My Spy. It is PG-13, so make sure you watch it first to decide whether or not you want your kids to watch it. If you have any kid-friendly movie or TV show ideas, I'd love to know down below. One of our favorites on Netflix TV show that we watch with my son is Nailed It, and we've also been watching The Masked Singer. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. A few things around my house that I've just kind of let fall away, like taking out trash in bathrooms, making the bed every day, dusting here and there, just small things like that that I thought I would throw into a video for you guys, bring you guys up to speed with what's going on, and I'm hoping to get back to a regular rotation of videos soon. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you have a great week. Bye!